Well, welcome back. It's that time of the year again when the kids are home from school because of the holidays and playing with little things that they've been given from school and elsewhere. Uh like they do this little gift exchange at their at the school we sent them to. And my daughter's kitty, which she got, I think it was a Five Below toy. Looks like the controller broke. But we're gonna fix that and make a happy daughter again. This will probably be incredibly quick video. Matter of fact, we probably won't even fast forward through any of this because this appears to just be a wire issue. Okay, so we're going to take out two screws here on this remote. There goes one. Ooh, my overhead camera froze up on me. There went one, and here goes number two. And then here goes our little button, as you can see right here. Just a little tactile button. And yeah, the wires have come off of it. So why don't we tin those up and get them soldered back in? Should be fairly easy. Right, so I'm gonna get a little bit of rosin flux here. I've been working on years trying to get this rosin flux used up and gone. Hence the Radio Shack lead. Yeah, for those of y'all who remember that. Okay, and some lead tin alloy solder. And this is just a simple switch. My daughter's in here telling me about her kitty, all about her kitty. Appears that my wire strippers are just a tad bit too big for the wire, so what we'll do is we'll burn away the insulation to expose our copper center, actually stranded wires here. It's not a single copper conductor, it's stranded wires. Okay, we'll tighten these up. And what I'm actually going to do is bend these over because I don't want the leads to be so long. We're going to make little short, stubby leads here. Okay. And let's get some. Now, baby, back away. This is hot. I don't want you to get hurt. Yeah. And we'll just get our wires tinned up here. Just like so. And then we'll get them soldered into our little switch here. Let's get this in the camera shot. One hook here. That one's in. And we'll make another hook on this side. Let's get this over. We'll solder down this side as well. There we go. And let's see if it turns on now. Okay, actually, let me put this back together and we will try it out. So, button back this way. Let's, oh, I see now how this goes. Yeah, we gotta keep these wires out of the way. Because it appears this is slotted. Wonder if we need to go on this side first. So why don't we do that? Yeah, there we go. We'll go on the slotted side, just like this. Well, you want to say that louder? Tell them.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Yeah, it's Christmas Eve today, isn't it? Yes, it is. Oh, that doesn't go out this way. It goes out this way, doesn't it? You don't know? Well, we're going to put it out this way. Now, this really should have some strain relief. Oh, yeah, that's right, because this went in here like that, didn't it? Okay. This needs to go down this way. All right. Let's get these screws back in. Daughter just disappeared to go eat some cookies that they're making for Santa. All right. So here we go. Quick video. Quick fix video, all to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to each of you. Yeah. Audrey, she's working just fine. All right, have a good one. Take care and goodbye. Bark.